Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Palantir stock is down and a lot of investors are asking the same question. What happened? Is something wrong with the company? Or is this just normal stock market volatility? In this video, I'm going to explain why the stock is down, whether this is a warning sign, and what investors should watch next. Let's break it down in simple terms. First, quick refresher. Palantir Technologies builds software that helps governments and companies analyze massive amounts of data. Think of it like this. If an organization has millions of data points, complex operations, security needs, and supply chain challenges, Palantir builds the system that connects everything and helps them make smarter decisions. They work with the US government and military agencies, large corporations, and now AI-focused businesses. Recently, they've been pushing hard into AI with their AIP platform. So the company is heavily tied to artificial intelligence, government contracts, and big enterprise clients. Now, let's talk about why the stock is down. One of the biggest reasons Palantir is down: it went up too much, too fast when a stock rallies hard, especially AI stocks expectations get extremely high. And when expectations are high, even good news isn't always enough. So investors start asking, is growth slowing or is the stock too expensive? Perhaps is this overhyped? Sometimes stocks fall, not because the company is bad, but because the price got ahead of reality. That's very common with high growth tech stocks. Palantir's revenue has been growing, but investors are always watching the growth rate. If growth slows even slightly, the stock can drop, because growth stocks are priced based on future expansion. If government contracts slow or corporate spending slows, and if AI adoption takes longer than expected, the stock reacts quickly. Even if revenue is still growing slower, growth can scare investors. Palantir trades at a high valuation compared to many traditional companies. That means investors are paying a premium for future growth. High valuation stocks are more sensitive to interest rates, market pullbacks, earnings misses, and broader tech sell-offs. If the overall market pulls back, especially AI stocks, Palantir often drops harder than average. It's not always about the company. Sometimes it's just market sentiment. AI stocks had a massive run over the last year when everyone piles into the same theme, like artificial intelligence stocks can overheat. Then when earnings don't blow expectations away, or AI spending doesn't accelerate instantly, investors take profits. Palantir is heavily associated with AI, so when AI stocks cool off, Palantir often drops too. This is more about hype cycles than fundamentals. A large part of Palantir's business comes from government contracts that creates two issues. Government spending can be unpredictable. Contracts can take time to close. If investors feel that new government deals are slowing, they worry about future revenue visibility. That uncertainty can push the stock down. It's important to note that the stock being down does not automatically mean the business is failing. As an investor, you should ask yourself these questions. Is revenue still growing? Is the company profitable? Are customers increasing? Is cash flow strong? If those remain solid, then the drop may be more about valuation and expectations than fundamentals. So this doesn't automatically mean Palantir is in trouble, but it does mean investors are recalibrating expectations. And in growth stocks, expectations matter just as much as results. This content is for educational and informational purposes only. You should conduct your own research or consult with a certified professional before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Some AI tools have been used to create, edit, or generate content. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description.